we introduce the Kawasaki Robotics BA006L. The arc welding robot uses state-of-the-art technology to achieve maximum quality and flexibility at all times. The BA006L has been designed to work smoothly with a number of industry-leading welding equipment. Its hollow wrist design allows for easy management of cables and hoses around the torch, providing stable wire feeding and reliable offline teaching. The BA006L is equipped with an arc welding-specific software environment to enable quick and easy programming of the process path. Its flexibility and high accuracy make the Kawasaki BA006L ideal for a wide range of arc welding applications. BA006L. Explore the world of Kawasaki Robotics.